Understanding. Stick your nose up, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Stick your nose up. It's a colorful expression that paints a vivid picture in our minds. But what does it actually mean? Let's dive in and find out together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand this phrase but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Stick your nose up is an idiom that is used to describe someone's behavior as being snobbish or disdainful. When someone sticks their nose up, it means they are acting superior or looking down on others. This phrase often conjures up the image of someone physically lifting their nose higher, as if to say they are above something or someone. It's a metaphorical way to express that someone is being dismissive or too proud. While the exact origins of stick your nose up are not clear, it's believed to stem from the literal action of tilting one's head back, which makes the nose stick up. This body language is universally recognized as a sign of disdain or snobbery. Over time, this physical gesture was translated into a figurative expression to describe someone's attitude of superiority or contempt towards something or someone. To fully grasp how stick your nose up is used, let's look at some examples. 1. She stuck her nose up at the idea of shopping at a secondhand store, preferring only brand new designer clothes. 2. Despite the humble beginnings, he now sticks his nose up at anyone who doesn't live in an upscale neighborhood. 3. Don't stick your nose up at these opportunities. Not everyone gets a chance like this. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts. Whether talking about someone's attitude towards places, people, or opportunities. It's important to note that stick your nose up can be seen as a criticism or negative observation about someone's behavior. Here are a few tips on using it sensitively. Use it more in a playful or teasing manner among close friends who understand the context. Avoid using it to describe someone in a professional setting or with someone you're not very familiar with. If you're using it to give feedback, make sure to balance it with positive comments or constructively suggest how to avoid such behavior. We hope this exploration of stick your nose up has been enlightening and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms like this one add color and depth to our conversations, allowing us to convey complex ideas and emotions in a few words. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to stick your nose into more English idioms and expressions. They're a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.